Over the past couple of years, we've seen an increase in poor quality concrete posts. These posts are showing air bubbles, plus the rebar can be very small and sometimes it's not even galvanised. You really need to chop a post in half to check the quality before starting a full fence installation. As we know, once you get a hairline crack in a concrete post, freezing temperatures and weathering will eventually cause that post to fail.
But I've gone out certainly of late and been surprised when people have told me, there's fencing that's been up 5 to 10 years and the concrete post started to sort of crumble and fall to pieces.
With the concrete, as soon as it's cracked, as soon as it's deteriorated, it's gone. There's no fixing it, and it's an absolute pain to get out as well.
It's more brittle. When you come back, when you do need to replace it, if you get one that gets moisture damage or cracks, if you have to replace it, it is a nuisance.
That's why we recommend DuraPost steel for every single fencing installation. DuraPost looks great, it's cost effective and it's easy to install, and it's guaranteed for up to 25 years.